Did you ever think of strawberries as nature's love letters? Just look at them, heart-shaped, red, and oh so sweet. Coincidence? I think not. Today, we're showing you how to use strawberries to add a little extra spark to your love life. Welcome to Smoothie Cream Shake, your sweetest getaway. First up, let's get baking, and as we do, also share some quality time. Invite your special someone at home to make a strawberry tart together. It's fun, it's flirty, and between us, there's nothing more romantic than stealing bites and sharing a slice. And remember, even if the tart doesn't turn out perfect, the memories you make will. Show that you care in everyday life. Add some strawberries to their protein shake or smoothie after workout. It's a sweet, thoughtful gesture to tickle their fancy and their taste buds. Not only delicious, but also fully packed with vitamin C. It's such a delightful refreshment. They will thank you all throughout the day and think of you with every sip. They like to take care of their silhouette. How about you add some strawberries to their oats or cereal for breakfast? How about a gift? Valentine's Day, anniversary, birthday, out of the blue? Pair a bouquet of their favorite flowers with a box of fresh, juicy strawberries. It's unexpected, it's romantic, and it's way more creative than just flowers alone. Trust me, do this and they'll remember it forever. Feeling the love yet? Since you are enjoying these very romantic ideas, give that like button a tender caress. And if you're not subscribed yet, please go ahead, so that you can join the fun again in future videos. We've got cherries. We've got chocolate. We've got cream. Can you feel the scent of vanilla in the air? Okay, let's keep the romance alive, one strawberry at a time. Set up a picnic in the park, with a bowl of strawberries and a chocolate fondue. Dip, feed, repeat. It's playful, it's intimate, and it's guaranteed to make your love life so much sweeter. Chocolate not their thing? How about the classic condensed sweetened milk? Not many people can resist this combination. Having a romantic evening at home? If it's summertime, impress them with a strawberry mojito. It's so easy to make. Can't drink alcohol? Make it a virgin. Is the weather chilly? Serve fresh strawberries with their wine. Or with a zesty cup of thick hot chocolate. By the way, what is your favorite way to enjoy strawberries with a loved one? Drop a comment below. Starting the day together? Make it special with a romantic gesture. Serve a dreamy pancake for breakfast, topped with strawberries of course. Don't be shy with the maple syrup. How about some strawberry yogurt for brunch? Don't buy it, make your own. So there you have it, strawberries aren't just a fruit, they're a love language. Go ahead and express your feelings in the most delicious way possible. Grab some strawberries, and let the romance begin. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. For us here at Smoothie Cream Shake will feel like giving us a big strawberry hug. And do hit that notification bell for more juicy content, just like the one on these links. Thanks for watching. Bye.